Hello everybody and welcome back to Lily's Everyday. Today we're going to be making a Moroccan dish called chicken tagine. For the chicken tagine, we're going to be needing a teaspoon and a half of cumin, a teaspoon and a half of paprika, a teaspoon of ground ginger powder, half a teaspoon of turmeric, some saffron, about a 2 to 3 teaspoons of salt depending on your chicken, half a teaspoon of pepper, 5 grated garlic cloves, and 1 grated medium-sized onion. We're also going to be needing about 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil and the juice of 2 lemons. Let's get started. First thing we're going to do is take a clean bowl and we're going to make the marinade in here first so that to evenly distribute the ingredients in it. We're going to put the lemon juice in the mixing bowl. We're also going to use about 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil. We're now going to combine all the ingredients into the mixing bowl, and I'll be right back to show you what we're going to do next. We have combined all the ingredients into a mixing bowl. We're going to mix that. And I have about 2 large breasts of chicken in this bowl that we have split in half, and also horizontally split the chicken. You can use any cut of meat that you like. Typically speaking, the tagine uses thighs, but we chose the breast. And you want to make sure you score the chicken not all the way through to make sure that the marinade penetrates through the chicken very well and you get a nice flavor in the chicken. So now we're going to pour it all over and marinate this ideally for at least 6 hours. Overnight is best. And I'm going to do this in 2 parts because this Moroccan stew has 2 parts to it. So the first is the marinade, the second is the making of the stew and the concentration of flavors later on. So we're going to come back 24 hours later and show you what we're going to do next. Welcome back. This is 24 hours after the marination of the chicken, and what I have done is I've taken a medium-sized stock pot and put in 1.5 cups of boiling water into the stock pot, including the chicken and all of the marinade. After 30 minutes, when this simmers down and cooks, we're going to go ahead and concentrate the flavors of the stock, more so with adding some olives, parsley, cilantro, and chickpeas to the stew. So we're going to cook this first, and then we're going to go ahead and add these later. Make sure you have these handy and ready to go. We'll be right back. This amazing color from the turmeric and the saffron strands. The chicken has been simmering for about 30 minutes with the lid on. And you want to always check for doneness before it is out of the pot. So I've already checked and it's all done, cooked thoroughly. I'm going to go ahead and take the chicken out and put it in a serving tray. And then I'm going to add these ingredients, the parsley, the cilantro, the olives, and the chickpeas, and let the sauce simmer down and concentrate the flavor. We're going to pour that over the chicken after it is done for a wonderful presentation. I'll come back to you in about 5 minutes and show you how it's gonna be. I have added the parsley, the cilantro, olives, and the chickpeas to the stew. I'm gonna let this simmer on high for about 15 minutes until the water has evaporated and the flavor has been concentrated, and then we're gonna pour this over the dish. I will come back and show you the presentation. And here we have our chicken tagine. I hope you guys try this recipe at home. It is a showstopper for sure. It's savory and satisfying. Thank you all for watching. Hope to see you soon. If you do try this recipe, please comment below. And thank you again for watching.